All right, yeah, so this is polar, and this is rectangular. So we're going to learn how to convert back and forth between these two. Which is very easy. There's just formulas you plug numbers into. Right, so to go from rectangular to polar. So I'm going to do R to P. So to find P, it is the square root of x squared plus y squared. And then to find the angle measure, it is the inverse tangent of y divided by x. So, for example, let's say we want to convert the point -4, -2. So to find P, it's the square root of -4 squared plus -2 squared. So 16 plus 4. So it would be the square root of 20. That's a really terrible 4. Yeah. It's like I notice how bad my handwriting is when I zoom in. Well, because I didn't think about it. It doesn't really matter. Really, it should be... Because remember, when you square a negative number, it becomes positive. So when you put it in the calculator, you need to put it in like this in the parentheses if you want to get the positive number. If you just put in -4 squared, it's going to give you -16. Because it's following order of operations. It's doing the exponent first and then multiplying by the negative. That's how the calculator reads it.
So you just leave this word 20, you don't have to do anything else to it?
No. I mean, I should make you simplify it, but I don't feel like it, so. I figure we'll take it easy. Okay. Can I zoom back now to normal size? Maybe. Oh, no. Oh, no. Okay. All right, so then we need to do find theta. So to do that, you use the inverse tangent on your calculator of -4 over -2, or inverse tangent of 2. Oh, no, sorry, y over x. You have to do both because you have to find both parts of the coordinate.
Okay.
Yeah. So then our angle measure, and you can round up to the nearest whole, or like, so it's 26.56, so I would just say 27. You can go to the nearest whole number on those. I plugged this into the calculator.
So would that be, so like that's the answer to the second, like that?
Right. So then your final answer would look like, so P was square root of 20, and then the angle is 27 degrees. So like your final coordinate would look like that.
It's supposed to be a theta symbol in front of 27.
Yes. Zane, you are very judgmental of my handwriting today.
Well, it's not even that. I just want to make sure like I'm not like missing something.
I know. You just have questioned me a lot today. It's fine. Why would... Okay.
It's like a pond. No, it is a fish.
I said it's not a fish. It's a theta.
I know. Like, it was something else.
Is it Theta?
Theta.
Not beta. What's beta?
Beta looks like,
A weird B. Yeah. We used that this year, or last year. With like
this year too.
straight functions.
Yeah. Typically, Greek letters are used for angle measurements.
What? Like that.
Greek letters are typically used as variables for angle measures. Not in trig. Okay. So let's go the other way. So let's do polar to rectangular. Or, yeah. Yes.
Put them both every time?
No. Then you can only do one, or else then you would just go back to what you started with. It's all right. I feel like we all have like that after lunch like brain fog going on in this period.
I've done like I've been out on this.
Okay. So x, to find the x coordinate, it's p times cosine theta. And to get y, it's p times sine theta. Yep. So let's say we start with 6 and 150 degrees. So if that's our polar, to find x, we do 6 cosine 150. Which gives you negative 5.19, so negative 5.2. And going to the tenths is fine on this one. So then we do 6 sine 150. Is that it again? Oh, wait. No, I did the right one last time. That one is 3. So then you get negative 5.2 and 3.
So will theta always have degrees? So that's how you know.
Yeah, or it'll be in radians. But all the ones on your homework are in degrees, so yeah.
Radians, do we have to convert to degrees? Or do you just plug it in like that?
I mean, you could switch your calculator to radians and do it, but it would have pi if it was in radians.
Yeah.
But all the ones on your homework are in degrees.
How do you go from degrees?
Multiply by pi over 180. Or 180 over pi if you're going the other way. All right, so your assignment for today. Wait. Was I doing this today? I don't know. We can go ahead and start it today. I mean, I think my plan was to have you guys, like, start it today and finish it tomorrow, but you're probably going to finish it today. So 1 and 2. As I'm sure you can guess, 1 and 2 each have lots of parts.